to the plate. It's your boy.
Okay, people, just a couple of things that I use when I'm cleaning my printer. Got the cleaning solution. I got a few tools here. I got some tweezers. I got a peeler that I used to use for my Silhouette Studio. Kind of bent that angle right there so I can get down in there to get it clean. Again, all of these products here can be found on Amazon. And what I did for that in between the little cracks, I just took a piece of this off the stick so that it'll fit down in there, and I can push that gunk back, get all that gunk out of the machine. But again, it's just some stuff that I use. Don't mean you have to use it. Just what I use. We are gonna clean our DTF Black Hawk printer. So today, what you'll see is how the ink gathers up. It gathers up right here. It gathers up back here. So all of this area we have to clean. Now, one easy way for you to do it, you take your hand and you can pull this tray back like this.
Welcome back to the plate.
That way you can look down inside and you can see all the nicks and crannies that need to be cleaned on this printer. Now, what I will not do is clean it and try to hold this camera up at the same time. But again, I have pre-cleaned this one already. So we see right here, pulling.
It's your boy, the king of the
You
plate.
can get these Q-tips from Amazon. I think I paid like $20 for about 50 of them. So as you can see, I've already cleaned inside of there. Also, I've cleaned down inside of your chamber here. So if it was dirty, you'll see gunk all up on the white tab, and you'll see gunk all around the regular tab. So you would see gunk all around here, all around this area, which you don't see. You got to clean this little piece here, all around that area right there. Now, what's gonna happen is you kind of see all that inside of there. Once you flush the printer after you get all your cleaning done, all of that stuff will get nice and clean for you. So as you see, I can just roll that in there, and you see the gunk. So we just want to make sure we get all that nice and clean. Get it all nice and clean.
Welcome back.
I will be back
It's your boy,
to show you the rest of it.
and we've been to bring you something.
All right, we're back.
Never seen before.
After we went in, got all the gunk inside, down inside, everything looking fresh and clean. Again, I use the little Q-tips. You can get those from Amazon. Very inexpensive. All right, let's go around here. Normally, after I clean, I deep clean, I go ahead and top off all my inks. I go ahead and clean up my waste trap.
Make sure y'all
Get everything looking nice and neat. So everything is topped off so that when we start printing, we have no issue. That's just my little rag to get up all the mess if it starts leaking. All right, so now we're gonna move around head portion. So this is your heads. And when you unplug it, you want to make sure you push the head all the way over to that little tray right there. There's a bottom tray here. I'm not for sure how good I'll be able to get in there, but that's what it looks like on the inside. And then that's the top of the unit. Now what you want to do is,
Welcome back to
you want to get your rag. And you want to get right up inside of here. So that's your head sitting back there. What you want to do is lightly rub, get all that ink off your head back there. It normally takes me about
It's your boy,
30 minutes
to play.
to get a good clean on it. And then we put everything back together. All right, once we have everything clean,
Make sure y'all
got
pay
your
attention
heads,
now you're here.
you got your gut area, all your inks are back in. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the unit back on.
It's your boy, the king of the play.
Okay, now once it runs through its process, first thing you want to do is come on down here and mash your ink button. Flushes all your lines out and it gets everything back ready so that you can print.
It's your boy, the king of the play.
Again, people, this is the DTF Black Hawk Printer. So as it cycles, make sure you wait till that light goes off because it's going to cycle each ink individually.
Welcome back to the play.
So just let it run,
Your boy,
let it do its thing
and we finna bring you
until it's
something
all the way
you
complete.
never seen before.
Once it's over, you'll see the red button go off. And it's ready to print. What we're gonna do here, once we get everything flushed out, I'm gonna run a test print so you can see it.
Make sure y'all pay attention now you're here.
All right? Still cycling. Make sure you let it cycle all
It's
the
your
way
boy,
through.
the welcome back to this stuff is way too easy.
All right? We now have our green light. And we're ready to set back up for printing. So we done did that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna run a test print
Welcome back
to
to
make
the
sure everything is working. All right, people, we're back after the clean job. Y'all see
your
it?
boy.
Y'all see it? Ooh, the white's looking white, ain't it? Everything is back working correctly.
This stuff is way
Print's coming out nice and white on the back. No problem with the
your
printer
boy,
after
the
we
king
cleaned
of
it.
the plate.
So we back in business. Once it's done printing, I'll let you see just how clear it is.
Make sure y'all pay attention now, you hear?
Just like I told you, nothing but quality prints. Full of color, vibrant,
It's your boy, the king
and ready
of
to
the plate.
ship. Y'all see it? Can you make the bed rock?